A 403 means your token worked and the request was still refused. That is not a broken token. Start by opening the token itself under Settings, Developer, Personal Access Tokens. Every call this token makes is recorded, refusals included. Open the Usage Log tab. Each row shows the status code, the endpoint, and the message the caller got back. Filter the code column down to 403 and only the refusals remain. Every one of these says the token is missing the scope products read. In the response body, the error field names the reason in one word: insufficient scope. That one you fix on the token. So add it. Select Edit, find the products group, and choose Read. Then save. Adding a read scope does not ask for your password, and the secret never changes, so your integration keeps working. Now the other kind. This token carries every scope it needs and still gets a 403. The error reads insufficient permission, and the message spells it out. The token is valid, but the person who owns it cannot archive products. Scopes narrow what you can do. They never widen it. Fix that one on the owner's role. You can catch that mismatch before you ever make a call. When you pick scopes, the picker checks each one against your own role. A banner appears, and affected scopes are flagged. Hover a flag, and it names the exact permissions your role is missing. Groups with no flag are fully covered.
For the full written guide, visit skew.io/docs.